In this video, we will show you how to check and edit cavities. For this example, we will import a 6 units bridge with the automatic detection of cavities activated. Now we must check whether Dental Cam has recognized the cavities correctly. To do this, we switch to the editing functions by selecting this icon. Now we open the editing function for cavities by selecting this icon. To ensure that the cavities and prep lines are produced in the optimum quality, all cavities, including the prep lines, must be marked green. All other areas must not be marked green. In the 3D view, we can see that a part of the prep line has not been detected and must therefore be marked manually. Using these icons, the detected cavities can be selected individually in order to check them and edit them if necessary. We will start with cavity number 1. Now we follow the displayed icon bar from left to right, starting at step 2. Dots that do not lie on the prep line, we need to drag to the prep line. If the placement aid is activated, the dots will snap to the prep line. If the placement aid is deactivated, the dots follow the mouse cursor. Now we continue with step 3 in the icon bar. Here we have the possibility to adjust the machining angle using the value bars. From the currently selected machining angle, at which the entire inner surface of the cavity is visible, the entire cavity can be machined in 3-axis mode. This is the fastest way to machine the cavity. If a machining angle is selected that requires 5-axis machining, which would be the case here, the subsequent machining time will be slightly longer. In the final result, the cavity is always completely machined, regardless of the machining angle selected. Only the machining time differs slightly. When ready, complete the workflow by selecting this icon. The remaining cavities 2, 3, 4 and 5 are already correctly marked and do not need to be edited. Cavities that have already been marked can be deleted by clicking on this icon. To mark the cavity again, we must start the workflow at step 1, select cavity. Step 2. If required, drag outlying dots onto the prep line. Step 3. If desired, adjust the machining angle. And finally, complete the workflow by selecting this icon. Correctly marked cavities, including prep lines, are produced with special machining strategies and lead to optimal machining results. With this icon you can exit the editing function without saving your changes. To save our adjustments, we exit the editing function for cavities with the up arrow. And with the second up arrow we return to the nesting view. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/cam. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.